Today we're checking out the biggest water park in Germany! Yahoo!
Today we are in Erding Therme.
It's the largest spa in the world, but we're here for one reason only.
Slides.
Beer. Beer.
And slides. That you get the free facial treatment.
I'm hoping it's not the only facial you'll get. See, the problem with facials for me is I don't know where my face ends and my hair starts.
There is no hair, there is just face.
That was our day in Erding Spa.
Let us know in the comments, what do you prefer? Water parks or theme parks? What do you prefer?
Theme parks.
Yeah, theme parks.
Just realised now it's called the Erding Therme or Erding Spa. Not the Erdinger. Erding is the beer that comes from Erding. I've just got beer in my brain. We're in Germany, what do you expect?
That's why we came to Munich.
Erding, not Erdinger.